Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Continue over here, and then select Clean at the bottom left corner. After tapping on Got it. Then you need to just clean under Junk Files. Tap on Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!